Now we're going to look at tags. To access the report tags, we need to click on the tags button, which is located under the projects button here. Now, tags allow us to organize reports across different projects. To create a tag, we simply click the Create Tag button here. This opens the Create Tag form. We simply type in a name, like so, and click Save. If you wish, you can also edit the tag by clicking the Edit button here. We add something to the name and click somewhere here and click Save. To delete a tag, we simply click the Delete Tag button here in the table and confirm the deletion. Now, adding tags to reports. Well, first we enter our project page, we enter a project, and we can edit a report from here by clicking the Editor button. This allows us to edit the report, and we simply click under tags. This shows us a list of the tags that we have created. So we cannot add tags to a report without first creating the tags. To select one, simply press Enter or click on it and click Save. So we'll do just a few. And now we can go back to tag section. As you can see, there are now reports for each of these tags. So if I click on Update, the first tag, we'll see the reports that are here, and I can access them quickly this way. Same goes for the other tag. A different way to edit tags is to go into one of the reports, go to the Edit page, and here access the tag selection menu. So you can click on one of them, click on the X to remove them, and click Save. That's it. Yes, to remove them, you only need to click the little X and save your selection. You can also remove the tag from the reports table by clicking on Edit and performing the same operation, like so. The tags are organized by name, report count, and when the tag was created. The standard search and navigation controls apply here as in all other tables.